Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And I have been on another Temu shopping haul. I really like Temu. I know some people have opinions about it, but I've been able to get really actually quality things for low prices. So that's what I like. Some things I get have been cheap, and I usually will share that too. If I feel like something is cheap, I will share that. I did get this dress from Temu. I don't like these ribbons. So here we go. Let me put them away. I had them in my last video. I had them away. Well, I don't know. Anyway. But anyway, this is kind of a fun dress. I just did Too Faced makeup, their holiday palette that does face and eyes. So I just did that. So I have a little bit of a pink and green eye look that matches this. And anyway, so I'm going to be sharing, pretty much jewelry, makeup, and shoes today. So it's a small haul. I like to separate my Temu hauls up now because I just don't like these half-hour videos that no one's really gonna watch a video that long. So anyway, let's get to it. All right, friends. I appreciate you being here. I would love it if you would support my channel, subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, do those things that help my channel if you wish. And so let's start here with my favorite thing. Let's start with shoes. Happen to have another video that showed these shoes. I got these to take to Hawaii and they were way too big. So I ordered a size, pretty much a size and a half smaller than I normally wear, and these are still kind of big. They're just really loose right here, but they do fit me a lot better, so I will wear these. In Arizona, you can wear these kind of shoes year round. I love the sparkle, I love the gold. So these were basically a reorder from shoes I had already gotten. I think I shared in a video that I was disappointed they were way too big. So I did get them again. All right, the other pair of shoes I got, now these I bought just mainly because they were $5 and I already have some like these and I really like them. So they wear well, and also in Arizona, white is a good color to have. You wear it more in the spring and summer, but you can really, I believe you can wear white any time of year. I don't believe in the Labor Day rule, but maybe that's because I live in Arizona. But anyway, so that's my second pair of shoes. Very good buy. The next thing I'm going to show you is I got these gift bags, and I love to throw together gifts, and sometimes I like to put more than one thing in them, and I just wanted some cute bags. These are kind of like the bags you get, shopping bags that they have like at TJ Maxx and stuff, but they're just cute. I liked it because of the black and white flowers, and they were versatile, and I just think they're really cute. I got a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they were definitely under $1 each, so it was worth it. So there's that. Now I'm going to get to the jewelry I got, and I happen to be wearing some of it. I went ahead and I got four different rings, and so I'm going to show you on my hand. Okay, so right here, this ring right here is just a 4-color jewels right there. So I like that one. The next ring is just pink. It's just a pink jewels all the way around the whole ring. This one right here is green, and it's a 3-piece set. I love it. It kind of goes well with this dress. It'll be a fun holiday ring. It's done in rose gold, but I don't know if you can see how well you can see it, but there's that ring. And then the other ring I went ahead and put on this finger. It's just a gold. This one looks a little bit gaudy. I don't know. It's just kind of, it's pretty gold. It's just a big like a diamond type stone, and then it just has a cute band that goes with it. So anyway, those, like I said, most all rings and jewelry I buy is under $2. Almost everything. Every once in a while something is $3, or you know, maybe a little bit more, but that's, like I said, most everything is really cheap. I did buy this bracelet. This is the clover. I have the earrings that go with it, and the bummer with it is I thought it would open up, but it doesn't, and you have to have a really small hand. So especially with my rings on, I'm having a hard time getting it on. I mean, my hands aren't humongous, but anyway, if I can figure out how to do it or open it up a little bit, otherwise it does me no good if it's not going to fit. So there's that, but I do like the quality of it. I like the look of it. The gold looks good. I've worn things like this from Temu, and the gold stays. Like these rings, for instance, I wear rings from Temu all the time. This ring is one of my favorite rings. Put it on right here. This ring with the bow is so cute. I wear this almost every day, and it has stayed nice. So if you are interested in their jewelry, like I said, it's inexpensive, and it does stay. So I have 2 more jewelry items. These are earrings, just kind of fun dangly type earrings. So there's these. This one is a green with like a black and white, like a black dot. I just think they're so cute. Thought they'd be fun even around the holidays. Maybe I like that green, that color of green. And these are just fun little neutral flower earrings that hang down. They're gold with the, anyway. So both very fun, like them. Okay, so now I am to makeup. And the first thing I'm going to share is it's a pink eye brightener, and it's a off-brand, but they mimic the Thrive. I love Thrive makeup, and Thrive has all these eye pencils and stuff, and they do have more. I may buy some more from here. I have used the Thrive pencils, love them. I also bought mascara. I think it was in one of my last Temu hauls. I showed the mascara that was just like Thrive. I mean, the packaging is just, it's just like Thrive, and it's heavy duty. It doesn't feel cheap. So I can usually tell when something's going to be quality just by the way it's made, and if it's, you know, you can just feel it. This is just a pink. There we go. It's just a pink highlighter. This is probably more how I'll use it, is on my eyes. Right there. But anyway, so there's that. Then I got a face. These are face. I'm not sure if these are a knockoff of someone. I'll have to double check that. But these are all face sticks, and I got a bronzer, a brush, and a blush, and a highlighter, and I will open them up. These are also like the Thrive. These are heavy duty. These are really nicely made. They're anyway, and they have the, I love it when they have the tip. Usually quality items will have the tip. So there is the highlighter. It's kind of a pink. I think it's called, this is number 02 Champagne Gold. Okay. Then I have the Espresso. This is the bronzer. Okay. And then I have the blush. So let's try them. You guys know how I talk about the rainbow. We do our bronzer here. Then we do our blush next to it. And then we do our highlighter. These feel really good. I'm kind of excited about these products, honestly. Okay, these are fun. Okay, so there's the rainbow. You got your bronzer, blush, highlighter. These colors seem to be really good colors for me, so I'm happy about that. And like I said, I will list these with the prices down below. And so if you want to pick them up, so far I recommend them. I can just tell by the fill and the packaging and this. Now they do feel, they're quite creamy, which isn't a bad thing. But anyway, so I like those. Like them. Okay, and then one more item is a lip product. I have bought these before, or a similar one. This comes in a package. It's the brand is Dainty. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but it's a lip kit, and it's got a liner and the lips. And I've used these. These are have staying power. That's amazing. And I had lips on. They're kind of coming off. I've done a few videos with it, so I don't know if this is gonna work. Feels pretty good. It's a sharp tip. It needs to be sharpened, but there's that. And then this is the, I don't know what color this is. Anyway, so let's put this on lips and see what we think. Kind of similar to what I had. So, there's that. So what do you think of my little Temu haul, the makeup and jewelry and everything? I'm really happy with this purchase. I feel like everything I got was quality. And like I said, if I think it's cheap or it's not quality or it doesn't work or something, I will let you know how I feel about that. So anyway, thanks for being here. I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. Alrighty, friends. Bye-bye.